Well, it's April 5th. The temperatures went from 45, 50 degrees to over 80 degrees. When they started spraying these fucking chemtrails today. And they're still spraying. The shit'll blow off and it'll cool down a little bit. The spraying will kick back in and it'll fucking we'll start roasting again. There goes our fire. Our Nazi fire, psychos. Just waiting for that. I was waiting for that. Nazis. Nazis everywhere. I left a flyer in front of that fire station earlier today. I'm doing some work over here, and I left a flyer on that fire station door. I'm getting the sirens, the crazy sirens. Who they kill now? Well, they'll cause an accident just to get those sirens going. Trust me. I've seen it so many times. Seen it happen over and over again. There we go, 80 degrees. See if you can see that on the Hopodge Fire Department sign. That van's covering it. But 80 degrees, it's April 5th. We got 80 degrees already. There he goes. Let's see if it shows back up. There we go, 80 degrees. 80 stinking degrees. It's April 5th. It was 50 degrees 2 days ago. It's 80 degrees when they start fucking spraying us with this shit. All day they've been spraying. I gave a flyer to a cop too. They just happened to be sitting in the same cafe that I was going to. I got it. There's some kind of thing going on here. A protest. Oh, geesh. Jeepers creepers. They got the Nazi Obama out there. That's got to be... what's his name? This is Glass-Steagall. It's what's his name? 92-year-old guy, still going strong. I'm trying to remember his name. Not Ron Paul, but anyways, he's got his workers out, always putting his stuff out about Glass-Steagall.